Hi guys, welcome back to another video from KayaPlus TV with me, Jupan. First of all, thank you for the support to our channel. Please continue to like, share our videos to your friends and family who are into investing. Today, we're going to talk about a few skills and principles that you have to master that will make you a better investor. Being an investor isn't that difficult, but there are a few skills and principles that we have to hold on and master to make us better along the time. Are you ready? Let's go! Are you ready to embark on a journey to become an investor? Do you have all it takes to become a great one? Now, the path of an investor is fraught by plenty of challenges, but not to worry, because the first skill to master is to actually hold on to the rules and principles on investing. Investing has been made complicated and difficult by a lot of people, but not to be distracted by that. In its very simple explanation, investing is just all about buying great companies and watching them grow. And as they grow, these companies will compound our wealth along the time. In short periods of time, company share price will go up and down. But if a great company is able to withstand the challenges coming to its way and continue to grow, it means our wealth is well protected and will grow along the time. So we should not be too focused on the short-term price movements. Secondly, get your hands dirty. What? A true investor will always analyze and crunch the numbers from the company's annual report. A company achieving its results in flying colors is a company worth looking at. On the other hand, an underperforming company is actually giving us a warning or a heads up that it could be facing a permanent and gradual decline. So, a company's annual report actually gives us insight on whether the company will continue to grow or is facing a serious problem. Thirdly, manage your cash to investments ratio well. Although your investments can be liquid and easily sold off for cash, it is always a good practice to ensure that you are staying within your desired allocation. The worst thing to happen is to put into a situation where you are short of cash and being forced to sell off your investments at a potential loss. A good cash to investment ratio also ensures that you have a war chest of cash ready to take advantage should a black swan event happens. Next is portfolio management. Now, there are two schools of thought when it comes to portfolio management. There will be a group of people advocating for a concentrated portfolio, which is having a portfolio of 3 stocks or less. But most investors actually will embrace the thought of having a well-diversified portfolio. Now, there is no right or wrong to opt for a concentrated portfolio or a diversified portfolio. But the benefits of having a diversified portfolio means that our total investments will be less impacted should an unwanted scenario happens to a specific sector of companies that we have invested. It means that we will see less fluctuations compared to investors who are having a concentrated portfolio. So at the end of the day, if you are a newbie and started just to invest in the market, definitely opt to have a well-diversified portfolio. Even Warren Buffett has a diversified portfolio of stocks. Last but not least, I would say the most important skill is actually to have patience. Investing is a long-run game plan, and you shouldn't be relying on it for a sudden windfall of cash. Great companies need time to grow their businesses, and in short-term periods, every company would definitely face problems and issues. The share price would definitely be impacted by earnings misses and also negative headlines. Fortunately, as an investor, if we are very certain that the long-term fundamentals of the company is still intact, we would be definitely taking advantage of the market's overreaction by buying more shares at a cheaper price while waiting for the company's true value to actually reflect when the time comes. So, I hope that this video actually points budding investors to the right direction and also focus on the skills and principles that would make you a better investor. Learning about different businesses, managing your portfolio, your cash to investments ratio is a lifelong learning process. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, please like and share our video to your friends and family who are into investing. Please also subscribe and turn on the bell button to get instant notifications of our upcoming videos. So that's it for today. I am Jupan from KayaPlus and I hope to see you soon in our next video. Bye bye.